Hey, it's Lola. I just wanted to do a quick review on this one I got from Korea. It's called Mochi Pact. I mean, I just saw this commercial of this one on Instagram like every day, so I was so curious like how it would actually work because it looks so good in the ad. And this is how it looks like. So it's kind of it has this small puff inside with it, and I think they come out in four different color or something like that. And the one I got is what's the color? Oh, okay, it's called Cream Light, and I actually have used this before, just that I just wanted to do a review video on this one. It's creamy texture, and if you press it down, it leaves a mark. It's a little bit like mochi kind of texture. I think you can apply this with your finger or the puff. And the thing I didn't actually like is that I didn't quite see it when I apply it. It's like I don't see it there. So I heard that it works under the dark light better. And it's like it's there. I think, yeah, it kinda is there. It is shimmery, but it's very subtle. So if you want like something super sparkling, like glittery effect, I don't think this one is the one for you. But if you just want something mysteriously shimmering, then this might work. It's not bad, just that I don't normally go to club or the dark bar that often, so yeah. But when I look at it, it looks so pretty, so it always tempts me to use it every day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.